So I got these cool new deals for Christmas where I can put these on my trail sites so they're colored, and yellow is going to be my chosen accent color for the Bronco because that's what my max tracks are in. And so I got these for Christmas, and they go on right like this. You can see that one right there. I don't have it mounted yet because the lights interfere a little bit. I am gonna just take off the light because I want to make sure that this gets installed well. Don't want to have any issues. Clean this off really well. All right, so we got one on. That's pretty sweet.
I have to laugh at myself because I keep forgetting to film the close-ups and details of what I'm doing. So I will get better for you all, especially in these instructional videos. Sorry you can't see what I'm doing exactly, but basically I just cleaned the trail site with some alcohol and some cleaning solution, loosened my light that's on the trail site so that I could get the plastic cover over the trail site. There's some adhesive 3M strips in the trail site. You just pull off the backing to and stick it right on. So pretty easy. I just got these off as Amazon. They're pretty affordable and cheap, and it's a nice, easy way to upgrade the look of your Bronco a little bit.